Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your shipping address on eBay. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ebay.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official eBay website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button that you see at the top left corner and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in, hover over to your username at the top left once again, and then click on Account Settings in order to change your shipping address. Now, underneath Personal Info, click on Addresses, and you will see the various different addresses within your account. Now, click on the Edit button alongside Shipping Address, and you will be shown your current address that you have for shipping. You can either edit this one or add another one as well. When you click on the Edit button, you will be allowed to change your address right away. Just choose your country from the drop-down menu first, and then enter your full name. Then enter the street address, followed by the city, as well as the state and the zip code. Then finally enter your phone number and click on the Save button. You will be sent a verification code within your phone in order to verify your change. Just enter this code within the next screen and proceed forward, and your shipping address will be updated onto your account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your shipping address on eBay. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.